Cobalt Dragoon 260 Cyclone versus Hell's Hammer 370 Hexa. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Chrome Ryugu and Bird Kazami. So if you didn't know this, basically in the Beyblade X manga, it seemed like kind of the main battle that this whole part of the manga was kind of leading up to. It was going to end up being Bird versus Chrome Ryugu. No spoilers, but that ended up not happening. That battle didn't happen at all in the mangas, so let's do this battle. If you want to support this channel, feel free to go to the link in the description. There are a nice amount of links, but I have some ones like Model Toys, Beijing Bricks, and Beyblade Premiere. All those links actually help me, so whenever you buy something, they support me directly. You can also support me by using my coupon codes on those sites. And the coupon code is Legendary R. I don't have one that works for Beyblade Premiere as of right now, but for the Legendary R, it works on Beijing Bricks and Model Toys. It saves you 5% off on Model Toys, 7% off on Beijing Bricks, and 10% off on bulk dominoes. So if you want any of those things, look at the description. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, then you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. All things help a lot, and thank you. I appreciate it. 3, 2, 1, jump, shoot. Okay. Hell's Hammer wins round 1 with an overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Hell's Hammer is just taking all these hits. Let's see who wins. And Cobalt Dragoon takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I'll try to stop it. Cobalt Dragoon wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Hell's Hammer wins that round with the overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Hell's Hammer's just holding on. Yeah, Cobalt Dragoon is just really strong. Let's see who wins. And that looked like a draw. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Cobalt Dragoon wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Cobalt Dragoon wins that round with the overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa, huge hits. Cobalt Dragoon isn't giving up. Hell's Hammer's just holding on. It's coming down to the wire. And Hell's Hammer takes the win with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Cobalt Dragoon is really strong, but Hell's Hammer is still taking the attacks. Hell's Hammer is actually doing a good job, just like Leon Crest did. And Cobalt Dragoon takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Cobalt Dragoon wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Your winner for that round with a burst finish is Hell's Hammer. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It seems like no matter what Cobalt Dragoon does, Hell's Hammer just stays there. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, absolute chaos is happening right now. Cobalt Dragoon is doing his best, but Hell's Hammer just keeps staying strong. Cobalt Dragoon isn't giving up, and Cobalt Dragoon goes down. Hell's Hammer takes that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, okay, overpowered. Hell's Hammer takes that round with an overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Wow, Cobalt Dragoon is just hitting non-stop. The battle's getting calmer now. Hell's Hammer's holding on. Cobalt Dragoon is trying his best, and Hell's Hammer wins again with another spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Cobalt Dragoon is just doing his best. His best is not enough, that's for sure. And Hell's Hammer takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, I can actually see something like that happening, like in the anime or something. Okay, Cobalt Dragoon takes that round with an overfinish. Okay, so that battle was really crazy, and I have no idea. I have no idea who won because that battle was just really crazy. It's like every battle was basically just Cobalt Dragoon struggling in the last few seconds to take a win against Hell's Hammer, and Hell's Hammer just kept on taking all the hits because of Hexa. So yeah, this battle was just insane. I'm really just surprised by Cobalt Dragoon's performance throughout the battle, but yeah, I guess that's about it. So I'll announce the winner now. Your winner is Cobalt Dragoon 260 Cyclone. So like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.